Hello, welcome to my Weebly portfolio page. This portfolio demonstrates my growth and learning through the iTech 3100 course. The portfolio page I am most proud of is the Communication and Collaborations tool page, where I designed and created my own Padlet. Before this class, I had never created a Padlet before. Creating one was amusing and helped me gain insight on how to create one that will engage students. Here's an overview of how my Padlet had looked. The page that was the most challenging for me was the online and blended learning page. When creating my 3-day digital lesson, I used Google Slides. I then encountered an issue around the use of audio. I wasn't able to record an audio directly on the slides. To resolve this issue, I converted my Google Slides into a PowerPoint to have access to record an audio without having to upload a file. This helped me discover what tools can be more challenging. The best lesson I designed this semester was on the Basic Productivity Tools page. In this lesson, students are creating and designing a presentation on PowerPoint to describe the life cycle of an organism of their choice. This lesson enhances students to think critical and allows them to engage through the designing process. I also created my own PowerPoint as an example for students to look at. One practice I learned through this semester that I will take into my future classroom is using collaborative platforms. This will facilitate communication and collaboration among students. In my field experience, I have learned that students enjoy collaborating. It allows students to understand each other's views and allows them to give and receive feedback. This practice also encourages group projects. This will encourage engagement and will promote student participation throughout the classroom.